बिकॉज हांव चड ह्या विशयाचेर हांवें ऑलरेडी मेंबराक सांगला, फोन करून सांगला की हो विशय जो आहा ऑलरेडी कोर्टान हियरिंगा ट्युजडे. एकूच तुमकां बाब बेन्झीक सांगूंक सोदता की तुमकां हांवें रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर हांवें उल्लेख केलो की कांय जायते मिस्टेक जाल्ल्यो, तेजेर आनी हांव चर्चा करिना, जाले चर्चा. ते आमी ऑलरेडी हावजार टेबल ऑफ द रिपोर्ट टेबल ऑफ द हावस रिपोर्ट आमी घातल्या की मिस्टेक कित्याक जाल्यो, कित्याक सेक्शन 72 ची गरज आशिल्ली आनी सेक्शन 72 आयज पर्यंत हांव म्हणटा की तेजी गरज आसा. कदाचित कांय एरिया आयज आमी 16B हाडलेली. 16B, that was the procedure by which town and country planning was operating in the past.
There is a property that in the regional plan 2001, it was shown as settlement. In 2011, it was shown as settlement. In 2021, it has been shown as orchard. Is it eligible to come under this?
It is 100% eligible. It is 100% eligible to come under this. And Speaker sir, I don't want to see what happens when you are doing something. What you mentioned, it is 100% eligible for taking it under Section 72.
But
and if
you have said in your answer that any project cleared under 16B has not been touched. Now, in this particular project, it was cleared under 16B. They have applied to you. Till date, you have done nothing.
17-2 आनी येवंक सोदता.
सांगले न्ही
जाता काय म्हणटा तो तुका विचारता.
करता म्हणटा न्ही. हाडपी आतां विजयान उल्लेख केलो आतां फाटी काड म्हणून. ते आतां मॅटर इज इन कोर्ट. आमी आनी ठरयला की कोर्ट केस बाय केस इट हॅज टू बी लॉट ऑफ पीपल हू हॅव गॉट देअर प्रॉपर्टीज एंड हू हॅव वॉन्ट टू डेव्हलप इट. वाय शूड दे बी पनिश्ड बिकॉज ऑफ certain situations? I am not saying that you did a wrong thing. You did the best thing. 16B आतां उरला कोर्टान गेले 3.5 वर्सां. आतां 3.5 वर्सां कितें आमी कांयच करप ना.